Do your legs scream for help at night, and you're just sleeping through the warning signs, waking up with painful cramps that lock your muscles in the middle of the night? You're not alone. Most people think it's just age catching up. But what if your body is actually begging for help? Through your food. Sure, bananas are the go-to fix. But are they really enough? The truth is, those painful cramps might be your body's way of saying, I'm running low on magnesium, potassium, hydration, and more. And here's the twist. The solution isn't in your medicine cabinet. It's already in your kitchen. In today's video, we'll reveal 5 powerful, science-backed foods that can help calm your muscles, improve circulation, and prevent cramps day and night. From bananas and avocados to spinach, pumpkin seeds, and yogurt. These aren't just foods. They're your body's natural defense team. Let's break the myth, fix the root cause, and get you sleeping pain-free again. The hidden power of bananas, a natural solution for leg cramps in seniors. Sudden leg cramps, especially at night, can be incredibly painful and disruptive, particularly for older adults. If you're over 50, these sharp muscle spasms may feel like an unavoidable part of aging. But what if a simple fruit, the banana, could offer real, natural relief? Often called nature's electrolyte pill. The banana is rich in potassium, a key mineral that supports healthy muscle contraction and balanced nerve signals. As we age, our hydration levels and muscle mass tend to decline, making us more prone to cramping, particularly during sleep. Bananas offer a quick, delicious, and effective way to restore this mineral balance. When potassium levels drop, muscles become overly sensitive to nerve impulses, leading to involuntary contractions or cramps. Just one medium banana provides approximately 400 milligrams of potassium, enough to make a meaningful difference for aging muscles. However, not all bananas are created equal. Larger or very ripe bananas tend to have higher sugar content, while smaller or slightly green bananas contain more resistant starch, which digests slowly and helps with blood sugar stability. For seniors managing diabetes or carbohydrate intake, firmer, smaller bananas are the smarter choice. In addition to potassium, bananas also contain a modest amount of vitamin B6, which plays an important role in nerve health, particularly helpful for those experiencing tingling, restless legs, or mild neuropathy. Bananas are also incredibly easy to incorporate into a senior-friendly diet. They can be sliced over oatmeal, blended into a smoothie with spinach and Greek yogurt, or eaten with a handful of nuts for a cramp-fighting combo of potassium, protein, and magnesium. For most people, bananas are safe and beneficial. However, seniors with chronic kidney disease or poorly controlled blood sugar should consult a healthcare provider before making bananas a daily habit. In such cases, avocados or leafy greens may offer a safer source of potassium. In summary, bananas are more than just a snack. They're a simple, accessible, and science-backed way to support muscle health and prevent nighttime leg cramps. Adding this one fruit to your daily routine could mean less pain, better mobility, and a more restful night's sleep. Why avocados may be even better than bananas for leg cramp relief. When it comes to fighting leg cramps naturally, most people immediately think of bananas. But there's a lesser-known fruit that quietly outperforms the banana, both in potassium and magnesium content, and that's the avocado. This creamy green fruit is more than just trendy toast topping. It's a muscle-calming, anti-inflammatory powerhouse that can play a vital role in preventing leg cramps, especially in older adults. One medium avocado contains more potassium than a banana, along with a generous dose of magnesium, both essential minerals for proper muscle contraction and nerve function. As we age, our bodies often become deficient in these nutrients due to medication use, reduced absorption, or diet limitations. This mineral imbalance can lead to frequent cramping, muscle tightness, or spasms. Avocados offer a delicious, nutrient-dense way to restore balance and reduce those uncomfortable symptoms. But it doesn't stop there. Avocados are also rich in monounsaturated fats, the kind of healthy fat that helps reduce chronic inflammation, a hidden contributor to muscle pain and nerve irritation. These fats support the health of cell membranes, promote better nerve signaling, and even improve the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin D, which plays a key role in calcium regulation and muscle control. This makes avocados not just a muscle food, but a full-body support system for seniors who are also dealing with joint pain, arthritis, or age-related stiffness. Avocados bring additional benefits. They contain phytosterols and antioxidants, like lutein, which have been shown to help reduce joint inflammation and improve mobility. That means this one fruit can support both muscles and joints. A dual benefit for older adults who experience cramping alongside joint discomfort. Adding avocado to your diet is easy and versatile. It can be mashed onto whole grain toast, blended into a green smoothie, or diced into a salad alongside leafy greens. For even more benefit, pair avocado with foods rich in magnesium or calcium. The synergy between these nutrients enhances absorption and cramp prevention. Just remember that avocados are calorie-dense, so moderation matters. For most people, half an avocado a few times per week is ideal. Seniors with chronic kidney disease or those under potassium restrictions should consult their healthcare provider before making avocados a daily habit, due to their high potassium content. But, for the majority, they're an incredibly safe, effective, and delicious way to naturally support muscle health and reduce the frequency and severity of leg cramps. In short, avocados are more than a healthy fat. They're a nutritional multitasker that delivers targeted support for aging muscles, nerves, and joints. If leg cramps are interfering with your sleep or mobility, adding avocado to your weekly meal plan could be a small step with big results. Spinach, for stronger legs, a green superfood that fights cramps naturally. When we think of spinach, we often imagine it as just a salad base or a healthy side dish. But for seniors struggling with leg cramps, especially at night, spinach can be a nutritional game changer. This leafy green is loaded with magnesium, a mineral often overlooked but critical for muscle relaxation and nervous system balance. If your legs tense up painfully during rest or after movement, low magnesium might be the missing link, and spinach is one of the most effective natural sources available. Magnesium works by helping regulate muscle and nerve function, preventing overexcitation of nerve signals that lead to cramps and spasms. Many seniors unknowingly fall short on magnesium, whether due to medication side effects, reduced absorption with age, or a diet lacking in mineral-rich foods. Adding spinach to meals can help restore that balance, leading to fewer cramps, better mobility, and improved sleep. But what makes spinach stand out from other leafy greens is its unique content of natural nitrates. These compounds are converted in the body into nitric oxide, a molecule that improves blood vessel dilation and boosts circulation, especially to the legs and lower extremities, where cramps often strike at night. Enhanced blood flow means better delivery of oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, helping them recover faster and stay relaxed. Many seniors also worry about digestion. While raw spinach is healthy in small amounts, cooking it slightly, such as lightly steaming or sautéing, reduces compounds called oxalates that can interfere with calcium and magnesium absorption. Cooking not only makes spinach easier to digest, but also increases the bioavailability of its key minerals, making it a smarter choice for cramp prevention. Adding spinach to your diet is simple and flexible. It blends well into soups, omelets, smoothies, or can be served as a side with dinner. To enhance its iron absorption, try pairing it with vitamin C-rich foods like bell peppers, tomatoes, or a squeeze of lemon juice. For an extra nutrient boost, combine spinach with other cramp-fighting foods like eggs, Greek yogurt, or sweet potatoes. Spinach is also low in sodium and high in potassium, which helps maintain electrolyte balance without spiking blood pressure. A major plus for seniors who are watching their salt intake. Its unique combination of magnesium, potassium, and circulation-boosting compounds makes it one of the most well-rounded greens for muscle and vascular health. In summary, spinach does more than just build strength. It helps keep muscles calm, circulation flowing, and nighttime cramps at bay. For seniors looking to fight cramps naturally, this simple green could be the most powerful ingredient on your plate. Small but mighty. How pumpkin seeds help stop leg cramps naturally. They may be tiny, but pumpkin seeds, often called pepitas, pack an incredible nutritional punch when it comes to preventing leg cramps. For seniors who struggle with sudden nighttime muscle spasms or restless legs, pumpkin seeds offer a powerful natural solution. Their real strength lies in their exceptionally high magnesium content, a mineral that plays a key role in relaxing muscles, regulating nerve signals, and preventing cramp-inducing tension. Just a small handful, about 1 ounce, of pumpkin seeds can provide up to 40% of your daily magnesium needs, making them one of the most efficient food-based sources available. Unlike supplements, magnesium from whole foods, like pumpkin seeds, is often easier for the body to absorb and comes bundled with other beneficial nutrients, including zinc, healthy fats, and antioxidants. This makes them a well-rounded choice for anyone looking to manage cramps without relying on pills or synthetic remedies. Beyond magnesium, pumpkin seeds contain tryptophan, an amino acid that promotes the production of serotonin and melatonin, the body's natural mood and sleep-regulating hormones. For seniors who not only suffer from leg cramps, but also have trouble sleeping or falling back asleep after a cramp, this added sleep support benefit is a major plus. Tryptophan helps calm the nervous system and can promote deeper, more restful sleep, while magnesium keeps the muscles relaxed and less prone to cramping during the night. Incorporating pumpkin seeds into your daily routine is easy and versatile. Choose unsalted, dry, or raw varieties to get the full nutritional benefit without excess sodium or unhealthy fats. They can be sprinkled over yogurt, mixed into oatmeal, tossed into salads, or even blended into smoothies. You can also enjoy them as a bedtime snack. Just a tablespoon or two before bed may help reduce cramps and improve sleep quality. For those dealing with restless leg syndrome, tingling, or nerve discomfort, pumpkin seeds offer double duty. Magnesium doesn't just help muscles, it also supports nerve function, helping calm those frustrating pins and needles sensations that many seniors experience. And the anti-inflammatory fats in pumpkin seeds may help soothe mild nerve irritation, making them ideal for both muscle and nerve support. Pumpkin seeds also pair beautifully with other cramp-fighting foods. While bananas and avocados offer broad mineral support, pumpkin seeds contribute concentrated magnesium, zinc, and sleep-enhancing compounds that the others may lack. Think of them as the night shift hero on your team, quietly working while you rest, so your legs stay still and pain-free through the night. In short, pumpkin seeds prove that sometimes the smallest foods deliver the biggest benefits. For seniors looking to prevent leg cramps naturally, especially those that strike at night, adding a small serving of pumpkin seeds to your daily routine may be one of the simplest and most effective steps you can take. Yogurt and leg cramps. a creamy fix for tense muscles and sleepless nights. When it comes to preventing leg cramps, especially those that strike late at night, few foods are as gentle and effective as yogurt. Often seen as a light snack or breakfast option, yogurt actually plays a powerful role in muscle function, nerve stability, and even restful sleep, all of which are crucial for seniors looking to stay active and pain-free. The primary reason yogurt helps with cramps is its high calcium content. Calcium is essential for regulating muscle contractions and preventing the involuntary spasms that lead to cramping. In fact, without enough calcium, muscles can become overly excitable, especially during rest, which is why so many leg cramps happen at night. Many seniors don't get enough calcium through leafy greens or fish, making yogurt a convenient and easily digestible alternative. But that's not all. Many varieties of yogurt, especially Greek yogurt, are also rich in protein, which helps repair muscle fibers and support overall muscle strength. This is critical for seniors whose muscle mass naturally declines with age. Greek yogurt is also higher in potassium and lower in sugar than regular yogurt, offering additional protection against cramps while being easier to digest. And let's not forget about probiotics, the healthy bacteria in yogurt that improve gut health, which in turn enhances the body's ability to absorb minerals like magnesium and potassium. So when and how should you eat yogurt for maximum benefit? For cramp relief and better sleep, the best time to eat yogurt is in the evening, about an hour before bed. This allows the calcium to get to work when your muscles are most vulnerable to cramps during rest. For a supercharged bedtime snack, pair a small bowl of yogurt with magnesium-rich toppings like pumpkin seeds or almonds. This combo supports both muscle relaxation and nerve balance, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Yogurt is also a smart option for those who are lactose intolerant. Many people with mild intolerance can still enjoy Greek yogurt or lactose-free varieties, which are easier on digestion. There are also plant-based yogurts made from almond, coconut, or soy milk that are fortified with calcium and vitamin D, providing similar muscle and nerve support. When you bring it all together, the calcium for muscle control, protein for repair, probiotics for absorption, and potassium for nerve function, yogurt becomes more than just food. It becomes a functional tool in your daily fight against leg cramps. And remember, this isn't about a single food being a miracle fix. It's about building a routine of smart choices, from bananas to avocados, spinach to pumpkin seeds, and now yogurt. Each one plays a unique role in protecting your muscles and helping you sleep peacefully. So here's a question for you. If just one bowl of yogurt before bed could help you sleep pain-free tonight, would you try it? If you want more simple science-backed tips like this, go ahead and like this video. And if you're curious about what other foods could be healing your body without you even knowing it, then subscribe and join our growing community of health-conscious seniors who are learning to live stronger, naturally. Let us know in the comments, which of these 5 foods do you already eat? And which one will you try tonight? Until next time, stay informed, stay healthy, and stay cramp-free.